Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable double tap to turn your Samsung screen on and off. It's a simple feature, but really useful in everyday use. So, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. Now, tap on Motion and Gestures. Here, you'll see two options. The first one is double tap to turn on screen. This lets you wake your phone just by double tapping the screen. The second option is double tap to turn off screen. This allows you to lock your phone by double tapping on an empty area of the home screen. You can turn these options on or off depending on your preference. I recommend enabling both for a smoother experience. Once enabled, simply double tap on the home screen to turn it off, and double tap your screen to turn it on. It's quick, easy, and saves you from pressing the power button again and again. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.